Everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make a mini basket with the dividers so you can put the clip or little thing for your sewing room. I have two interfacing in here and I cut 3 inches wide, 7 inches long. And the fabric here I have 6 inches wide by 7 inches long. So now you're going to fold this two fabric. You can iron that so it can be center. People say that I go slow because I go step by step. I don't jump. I don't do YouTube because of the money. It is, but I'm not like that. And now I'm going to place the interface and right on top. Go and iron this to medium high. It depends on each iron are different. A 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew this line and you sew on this line. And the 4 piece of fabric here I have cut 4 3/4 of an inch by 6 3/4 of an inch. Here I have the interfacing I already ironed in here, and on the back side of the main fabric, and the side of this is 6 3/4 of an inch by 18 inches long. Let's just put this on the side. I'm using the strawberry for the main fabric. Everyone, after I sew a 1/4 of an inch on both of the pink, and now you go into inside out. You're gonna top stitch on the fold. Do this one too, exact the same. So now after I top stitch here, fold 1 in half so you can have the center. At the center, and then you place the other one together. You're gonna sew this line. So everyone, after I sew in these 2 pieces together, now bring back the 4 piece of the blue, and on the side, and place the 4 together. Everything line up nice, okay? And on the side here, I'm gonna mark 1 1/4 inch. And on this side, 1 1/4 inch. After you mark this, you can do all 4. So I bring back the piece, the first blue, and you can see the market right there, 1 1/4 inch right there. We're gonna bring back this one. The very first one on the bottom, we see you have 2. The one on the bottom, the first bottom here, you go into the top stitch, gonna touch the 1 1/4 inch right there. And you're gonna bring back the second piece of the blue, put it on top of this one, and that's why you can see that earlier I said that mark 1 1/4 inch to all 4. This is for this reason. A 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew this all the way down. So like that. After we sew, you're going to lift this up. Bring the second piece over like this, and make sure it go right there. You're gonna make sure it's straight like that, okay? The third one, bring that over, that 1.25 inches, go and to meet up right there. Clip this together. Now, just like what I just showed you how to sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew this straight line. So after I sew on this one, flip this out, do the same thing, bring this one, the third one, over to this side right here, 1.25 inches, bring it up right there, just hold on to that, and then bring the fourth piece over, place it here. Everything line up nicely. Same old thing, a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew this straight line all the way. So everyone, after I sew in this one, this is 4 piece right here, 1 2 3 4, and then you have this flap. Open this up, bring this one over to 1.25 inches right there. So we're going to sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, so this one only. So everyone, after I sew on this side, this is what it look like now. So you can see this side is have more and this side is little. So we're gonna bring back the main side of the basket, which is 6.75 inches by 18 inches long. Right side facing the right side, and we're going from this side of that little, and this is big. So go into the little side here, and we're going to, you can pin, you can clip, whatever you want to do. We're gonna fade this side all the way to this together, all around to this, so we can sew. My goodness, you see, that's why I don't like the pin. You can leave about 3 inches in between here open, so you can inside out later on, okay? But don't leave where the sew line. You're gonna go past the sew line about 1/2 inch or so, and then you leave it like 3 inches or 2 inches in between, and then continue to sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way together where you pin or clip on the top here. After I sew on this straight line here, you can see this is what we have, and then we're going to go like this, lining to the lining and the main to the main, and make sure that's a line in between here, hit the line up over here. Very important to line everything up evenly. A quarter of an inch seam allowance, you're gonna sew this straight line. Alright, so quarter of an inch, seam allowance, sew that, and then sew here. So after I sew on this, we're gonna box the corner. And then we're going to do this. Make sure that the right side, this is the main, and this is the lining on the bottom here. So make sure that even this out. I folded this, everything it meet up like here. You see that side, the sew line right there into here. That 4 inches. You're going to mark the line. That for you to box the corner, everyone. So that 4 inches right there. That for us to sew the line for the corners. This side, it right there. That's the 4 inches. Lift this up so you can just mark the side right there. That's the 4, and then here, and then connect this line. That's the best way that everything will be even. Now this is it. Sew this line and then sew this line. Everyone, after I iron all around, I'm gonna go down here about a quarter of an inch from this down. I'm gonna go and top stitch around it. In the same time, this one on the top here still open. When you sew, you make sure you go from the inside and go on around. It's hard to go from the outside. Do from the inside and go around it. So everyone, after I sew a quarter of an inch all around here, so when I get it to here, I just want to wrap this up so I don't lose it. When I get to here, I have an extra right at the end, and that's okay. That's what I want. You have more than better than less. So now you're gonna wrap this around. Make sure everything look good. The basket stand very well, and this wire on the tops help the basket stand. So now you're going to wrap this together. I start losing my voice. I don't know what happened. I think it's allergy. I don't know. Everyone, I finished and the basket looks so nice. Look at this on the top, it holds the basket very well. So the height of this is 4 inches tall. And look at this, the divide inside. So I just give you an idea how to make things, but your decide what you use it for. You can use it for the big thread here. You can place it all around if you want to. Whatever you want to hold, it's all up to you. My job to show you how to do things, your job to put whatever you want to put. So just like so. It's very cute. You want to add the handle? It's all up to you. You just sew the thing in here and on the two sides. And that's basically it, everyone. So much everyone for watching, your like, your share, and your comment, and your donation. Stay safe, love you. Take care, everyone.